Hi, I'm Ray and we're in the greenhouse today and I'm looking at my dahlia and it's looking a bit spindly and a bit thin. But what we're going to do today is we're going to prune the dahlia. It's also known as topping or pinching out. It's all the same kind of process. But we're looking to produce more blooms on my dahlia, and this is not looking perfectly great, it's dying off a bit. But what I'm going to do is count up 3 sets of leaves, so 1, 2, 3, and we're looking at this joint here, and if we look closely we can see there's 4 lots of shoots coming off that one section. So taking a knife, a pair of scissors, or you could even pinch it, we're just going to go round, and although it's a bit sad as it's got its bud, it's going to do some benefit. And we just go down and we snip, just removing the top bud. So we've come up 3 sets of leaves. If we take a closer look, we can see the shoots that come out the stem. And now this is going to send out all the shoots, and it's saying to the plant needs to reflower. So if we take a look at this stem, it's produced 1, 2, 3, and then we've got the main stem, we've got some side shoots, and I'm going to just remove the main top one. And we can see it's all hollow. And we're only going to do it the once, just on that main one. There we go. It's a bit sad removing the blooms, but it will benefit the plant in the long run. There we go. If we take a look on this one, you can see where the shoots have come through and then they've grown on to flower the buds. If we look into this shoot here, we can see the shoots have come out and they've sent out other buds. If we cut this one, it would have sent these, one here and one here. So it's best not to cut these on a wet day or water from above, as the stems are hollow, and if any water goes down the stem, it's going to cause the dahlia to rot. So I'm going to leave these in here for 24 hours under the shelter before they get watered from the top. So there we go, quick and simple. That's how we prune, top or pinch out the dahlias. So do you prune your dahlias? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.